While 4K monitors and TVs are more accessible now than ever before, Ultra HD still remains a bit niche, as PC games can be very demanding at this resolution. This is evident with games like Cyberpunk 2077, which demands the absolute best graphical performance if you care about ray tracing at the highest settings. While you can do 4K gaming on a somewhat restrictive budget, you'll be limited to older titles or lower graphical settings. This is why you need to spend considerably more to get a good 4K experience. Fortunately, if you have the cash, there are components out there that can deliver an incomparable experience. In the CPU department, the new Ryzen 7 9800X3D immediately stands out. AMD CPUs with 3D V-cache are impressive for gaming, but the 9800X3D takes things to another level. The 9800X3D is 15% faster in games than its predecessor, the 7800X3D. It's also somehow more efficient, to the point that it can be paired with an adequate dual-tower air cooler without hurting performance. It's an expensive CPU, but it's well worth it if you're shopping around for the best gaming CPU out there. The performance is exceptional regardless of the resolution, and it pairs with high-end GPUs for fantastic 4K gaming. On paper, it has 8 cores, 16 threads, and a boost clock of 5.2 GHz. For the GPU, of course, if you care about gaming at 4K with ray tracing and maximum graphical fidelity, the RTX 4090 is the only choice. Much like the 9800X3D, the 4090 is in a league of its own. It has 24GB of GDDR6X VRAM, 16,384 CUDA cores, and a maximum boost clock of 2.5 GHz. This is the only GPU out there that can handle modern titles at 4K with ray tracing, without the help of DLSS. Other graphics cards, such as the RTX 4080 Super, can get you close, but you'll need to turn on DLSS. If you prefer a smooth experience at 4K with native rendering, the 4090 is your only bet. Of course, it does have its downsides. For one, regardless of the variant, it's gigantic in size, meaning you'll need a case that can accommodate it properly. Secondly, it's 3 to 4 times more expensive than most mid-range graphics cards. However, if you do want the ultimate experience and want to be future-proof for years down the line, this is the combo to get. The 9800X3D handles the 4090's graphical horsepower exceptionally well, meaning the 1% lows never dip too much. Overall, the experience at 4K is staggering, with games like Dragon Dogma running at over 100 FPS with max ray tracing effects. It's an experience like no other, as this combination even supports stable frame rates in games that have path tracing. If you want to get the most out of this CPU and GPU pairing, make sure you get a very reliable power supply. 1000 watts is recommended, a good AIO for cooling the CPU, and a case with great airflow. High-speed DDR5 memory and a PCIe Gen 4 SSD are also crucial additions. Thanks for watching. Let me know what's the best CPU and GPU combo for you. And if you're interested in more PC building suggestions and reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated. It really helps. See you next time.